everyone, my name is Shumba Prosper and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to activate and deactivate Childlock on the Samsung EcoBubble 7kg machine. So for Childlock, you'll be using Childlock to protect machines for children if they need to adjust the controls as well as to keep your machine safe. So first thing, you turn on the machine and then now it's coming on. So to activate your Childlock, you press the temp and the spin button for 3 seconds. Now Childlock has been activated, as you can see. And then to deactivate, as you can see, it cannot select any controls because it's on Childlock. And then to remove the Childlock, now same thing, you press the 2 buttons for 3 seconds. Now it's off. And then all the controls are working now.